The Aptera solar electric vehicle is a revolutionary three-wheeled, two-seat EV built for maximum efficiency and sustainability. Manufactured in the USA by Aptera Motors, this innovative coupe offers battery options ranging from 25 kilowatt-hours to 100 kilowatt-hours, delivering EPA estimated ranges of 250, 400, 600, or 1,000 miles. Weighing around 1,800 pounds for the 60 kilowatt-hour version, its aerodynamic design, 177 inches long, 87.6 inches wide, and 56 inches tall, enables stellar performance. A powerful Vitesco Technologies motor, producing up to 201 horsepower, accelerates the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of approximately 100 miles per hour. Integrated 700-watt solar panels add up to 40 miles of range daily, while fast charging via KNX ensures rapid energy replenishment. A true breakthrough in sustainable transportation, the Aptera starts at just $25,900, making it a truly innovative and accessible option for the future of mobility. The CityQ Car-eBike is a revolutionary, efficient four-wheeled electric vehicle that merges the agility of a bicycle with the comfort and safety of a car. Measuring 87 centimeters wide, 155 centimeters tall, and 222 centimeters long, this lightweight ride weighs just 70 kilograms, while accommodating a maximum load of up to 300 kilograms. Powered by a 250-watt electric motor with software-managed drive-by-wire assistance, the CityQ offers a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour and a range of 70 to 100 kilometers on a single charge. It features two swappable batteries that charge in approximately 5 hours via a standard 220V plug. Its enclosed design, complete with a roof, windows, and rotating side doors, can be configured for passenger or cargo space, making it ideal for urban commuting in any weather, all without requiring a driver's license. The Shane Car concept, unveiled by hoverboard inventor Shane Shin, is a groundbreaking two-wheeled electric vehicle designed for practical urban and highway use. Its parallel wheel configuration, coupled with an advanced system that adjusts the cabin's position during acceleration and braking, ensures perfect balance and stability at high speeds. This innovative design eliminates the need for traditional front-wheel steering systems, enhancing maneuverability and energy efficiency. The vehicle features a pod-like cabin capable of accommodating up to 5 passengers, with clamshell-style doors for easy access. A deployable rear wing provides additional force and stability during high-speed travel. While specific performance metrics such as top speed, range, and power output have not been disclosed, the Shane Car concept represents a significant leap in automotive design, merging futuristic aesthetics with practical functionality. The WalkCar 2 Pro, developed by Coco Motors, is an ultra-compact personal mobility device designed for urban commuters seeking portability and efficiency. Weighing approximately 2.9 kilograms, it features a top speed of 15 kilometers per hour and a range of up to 8 kilometers on a single charge. With dimensions of 346 millimeters in width, 215 millimeters in length, and 76 millimeters in height, it is comparable in size to a laptop, making it exceptionally easy to carry. The device incorporates a four-wheel independent suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride by absorbing vibrations from various terrains. Constructed from ultra-super duralumin, the same material used in aircraft wings, it offers a robust yet lightweight build. Powered by a 460-watt peak power output, it can handle inclines of up to 12 degrees. Charging is highly efficient, with the battery reaching 80% capacity in just 30 minutes using the included quick charger. Priced at $1,500, the WalkCar 2 Pro is a premium choice for those seeking a blend of convenience, performance, and innovative design in personal transportation. The Jetson One is a revolutionary personal electric aerial vehicle that redefines urban mobility. Weighing only 86 kilograms and delivering exhilarating 20-minute flights with a top speed of 102 kilometers per hour. Constructed from high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber, its compact dimensions, 2,700 by 600 by 1,120 millimeters, ensure easy garage storage and portability. Powered by 8 high-performance electric brushless motors, Jetson One provides exceptional maneuverability with intuitive joystick controls and advanced safety features, including a ballistic parachute and redundant flight computer systems, accommodating pilots up to 95 kilograms without the need for a pilot license in the U.S. This groundbreaking vehicle is available for pre-order at approximately $98,000, offering an unprecedented blend of fun, efficiency, and accessibility. Truly a game-changer for personal flight. The Hamyak, a monotrack all-terrain vehicle designed by Russian engineer Edward Liu, is powered by a 150 cubic centimeters gasoline engine paired with a 12V battery and an electric starter, enabling a top speed of 43 kilometers per hour. Weighing approximately 85 kilograms, it features a single track supported by 3 pairs of shock-absorbing rollers sourced from a Boron snowmobile, ensuring stability across various terrains. An LED headlight enhances visibility, while its compact size allows for easy transportation in a standard car trunk. Designed for navigation over snow, sand, and mud, the Hamyak requires riders to shift their weight strategically when maneuvering on hard surfaces. This innovative vehicle exemplifies a blend of compact design and robust performance, catering to enthusiasts seeking unique off-road experiences. The Avvenire Tectus, priced at $9,000, is a game-changing electric three-wheeler designed for both urban and off-road adventures. Its fully enclosed all-weather cabin makes it ideal for year-round use. Powered by a 2,000-watt motor, it reaches a top speed of 20 miles per hour and offers an impressive range of up to 99 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 2,400 Wh battery. Weighing 496 pounds, it supports a payload of 175 kilograms. The Arcimoto FUV, Fun Utility Vehicle, is a three-wheeled electric marvel designed for urban mobility and fun, with a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of approximately 102 miles per charge. Weighing around 1,200 pounds, its lightweight design enhances agile handling, while its 11 kilowatts electric motor delivers brisk acceleration and a surprisingly smooth ride over varied urban terrain. Charging is convenient, with a level 2 charger replenishing the battery in about 3 hours. Compact yet practical, the FUV features a 2+1 seating arrangement that maximizes space while retaining a minimal footprint. Its innovative design redefines personal transportation, merging sustainability with excitement. This remarkable vehicle proves unequivocally that the future of commuting is exhilarating. The LyteHorse LH4 is a rugged four-wheel drive stand-up electric ATV engineered for adventure and utility. Weighing approximately 700 pounds, this high-performance vehicle is powered by 4 independent electric motors, one per wheel, delivering a top speed of 40 miles per hour, while ensuring exceptional stability and traction over challenging terrain. With an impressive 80-mile range per charge, the LH4 meets the demands of hunters, outdoor sports enthusiasts, and professionals who require reliable off-road performance. Its quiet zero-emission operation minimizes disturbance in natural settings, while its versatile design accommodates a variety of accessories, including gear racks, jump seats, and lighting options. Starting at $6,997, the LH4 offers both power and practicality, redefining off-road electric mobility by blending rugged durability with cutting-edge performance technology. The Nimbus One redefines urban mobility as a compact three-wheeled electric vehicle that blends car-like safety with motorcycle agility. Its fully enclosed cabin, complete with sliding doors, a steering wheel, and foot pedals, ensures comfort and protection in any weather. Reaching a top speed of 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, and offering a range of 93 miles, 150 kilometers, on a single charge, it is designed for efficient city travel. Measuring just 34 inches in width and weighing 375 kilograms, it maneuvers effortlessly through congested traffic and tight parking spaces. Powered by a 9 kilowatt-hour battery system composed of 4 removable packs, approximately 20 pounds each, it charges in just 1.2 hours on a level 2 charger or 5.4 hours via a standard outlet. Advanced safety features include airbags, ABS, and an ADAS with automated emergency braking, making the Nimbus One an impressive and practical solution for urban commuting.